Navigating the world of Shopify, especially at the beginning, can be a challenge, not necessarily because of skill, but because of time. There's a lot of copy you have to write, business management that you have to get your head around. Keeping that in mind, there is obviously AI nowadays, which is thankfully there to fast track our workflow and make life easier. Here's 10 beginner-friendly ChatGPT prompt examples that are a must for every Shopify beginner. Prompt number 1 is write a persuasive product description for a product type that appeals to ideal customer, highlighting key features and written in a fun, beginner-friendly tone. Replace product type with your product and replace ideal customer with your ideal customer. An example use case is a Shopify store selling bamboo baby clothes, soft as clouds, safe for baby skin, cute enough to win grandma's heart. Really good example of leveraging AI to come up with the copy that you require when you're just starting out and at a level where you can employ a team to help. If you were considering starting on Shopify, they have a deal where you get a free trial for the first 3 days and $1 a month for the first 90 days. There's a link in the description. I've also got a free starter pack, by the way, that you might want to consider grabbing if you are linked in the description. Prompt number 2 is aimed at generating a frequently asked questions page. Again, easier said than actually done. We come across so many FAQ pages. It's easy to think that they're easy to create. However, this is also a key area that needs to be done correctly for your new store. An example of a prompt you could use is create a beginner-friendly FAQ page for a Shopify store selling product type, include at least 5 common customer questions and clear, helpful answers. An example use case would be for a candle shop. Which, and the example would cover shipping times, returns, ingredients, etc. Again, it can be as detailed or as minimal as you want. It all depends on what you put into ChatGPT. Prompt number 3 is directed towards setting up an About Us page on your Shopify store. So you could put something in like write an engaging About Us page for a small Shopify business, owner's name and story, selling product type, make it warm, personal, and trustworthy. An example use case is if you're a solo founder who started making bath bombs during lockdown. There's thousands of different example use cases you could use in that scenario. If you are finding value from this video, be sure to drop us a big like. Small click for you, but it does wonders for our channel and making sure other people see this video. Appreciate you. Prompt number 4 is creating a TikTok video script for a specific program. Write a short 15-second TikTok hook and script to promote a product in a fun, fast-paced way that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. Mention one main benefit. Insert your product name. If you're selling pet grooming gloves, the hook could be, I thought this was a guitar glove until this happened. Hundreds of different hooks that ChatGPT could potentially come up with. That saves you the brain space of coming up with that yourself. Instead, you're leveraging free AI tools that are available out there. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a list of similar prompts. Happy to do that if enough people request and like this video. Prompt number 5, writing a welcome email for new customers. Write a friendly welcome email for new customers of a Shopify store selling product type. Thank them, tell them what to expect, offer a 10% discount. Example, Shopify print on demand t-shirt store. If people are purchasing from your store, chances are they are going to enter your email. So that your first initial email, that welcome email, is obviously your first impressions and you want to get that right. This is a good start to making sure that goes as intended. Prompt number 6, suggest a brand name. So the prompt could go as follows. Suggest 10 catchy available brand names for a Shopify store that sells product type to target audience. Make sure they sound modern and memorable. An example use case, you could be launching a Gen Z skincare brand. Could be something that's named like Glow Chick or Derma Pop. Again, saving you that brain space and letting ChatGPT think for you. Worth noting, it's not just ChatGPT that these are native to. You could use similar prompts to platforms like Claude, Gemini. It depends on what platform you prefer. Prompt number 7, generate blog ideas for SEO. The prompt could go as follows. List 10 beginner-friendly blog post ideas for a Shopify store that sells product type. The blog should help attract Google traffic from people looking for helpful info. An example use case would be selling reusable water bottles. Blog ideas would include 5 ways to stay hydrated without plastic Prompt number 8, create Instagram captions. Write 5 short and engaging Instagram captions for a Shopify store that sells. Product type, include emojis, a call to action, and keep it beginner friendly. An example use case is for a crystal jewelry brand. It could be captions like energy boost in a necklace, yes please, link in bio. Again, hundreds of different results you could get. Power tip, rather than asking ChatGPT as well, especially during that first interaction, I would ask the tool to give you the best questions to ask it so it can give you the best possible results, narrowing the scope of the result that we're going to be getting by asking it specific questions. Whereas if you say, hey ChatGPT, hey Claude, hey Gemini, let me know what's best to ask you to get the best result for this purpose. It's like walking into a restaurant and saying, what are the best dishes for such and such? What do you need to know to make the best combination of such and such? That's where you get the chef giving you the best possible result. Prompt 9 is geared towards writing a store announcement banner. We could say, write a short and catchy announcement bar message for a Shopify store offering promo or free shipping offer. Keep it under 90 characters. An example use case would be free shipping on all orders over £30, no code needed, something along those lines. Customer service reply template. So you could say something along the lines of, write a polite and helpful email reply to a customer asking about a delayed order. Sound professional but friendly. Reassure them and include a call to contact support if needed. Use case, a beginner store owner managing late dropshipping deliveries. A fun way to make the most of freely available AI tools to save you the brain capacity of having to think of all that copy your store. And again, this can be applied to many use cases. It doesn't necessarily have to apply to just Shopify. It could be your personal website, job search website, creator website, brand website, whatever it is that you are working on. I will link these prompts in the description so you can grab them, play around and create your own variations